Namaste. Straight your body and bring your both the palm together. Breathe in Asta Uttanasana. Breathe out Pada Astanasana. Breathe in Ashu Sanchalanasana. Raise your head up. Breathe out Parvadasana. Ashtanga Pranayama. Number 6. Drop your knees, chest, chin. 7. Bhujangasana. Breathe in long. 8. Back to Parvadasana. Stretch back. 9. Ashu Sanchalanasana. Breathe in, look up. 10. Pada Astanasana. Breathe out. 11. Asta Uttanasana. Breathe in. 12. Pranamas. Again, breathe in, breathe out. 1. 2. Asta Uttanasana. 3. Pada Astanasana. 4. Right leg back, Ashu Sanchalanasana. Breathe in, look up. 5. Parvadasana. Breathe out, stretch back, mountain pose. 6. Ashtanga Pranamam. Drop your knees and chest, retain the breath. 7. Bhujangasana. Breathe in, look up, stretch, raise your head up. 8. Back to Parvadasana. Breathe out. 9. Right leg forward. Breathe in, look up, maximum. Breathe. 10. Pada Astanasana. Both the middle the palm. Breathe out. 11. Asta Uttanasana. Breathe in. 12. Pranamas. Breathe out. Relax. Now slowly, completely release and relax your body and mind. Breathe long and deep 5 to 10 minutes. Everywhere, all your entire part of the body, release and relax your all leg area, your calf muscles and your thigh muscles. Close your leg. Slowly turn your body left side of the body. Slowly with support your right arm, sit. Vajrasana. Sit. While you sitting in the Vajrasana, your all blood is come to the feet. Completely relax. Now prepare for Ushtrasana. Stand there, then with your right leg rise, right palm, catch on the right angle and left, and breathe 5 to 6 times. And other palm. Breathe in your left, catch both together and breathe 5 to 6 times. Inhale and exhale. Normally, come back. Sit again in Vajrasana. Breathe 5 to 10 times. Normal breathe. Reback your energy and relax. Slowly release and again stand on your knees. Prepare for Vyagrasana. Breathe in, move up. Marjaryasana. This is Marjaryasana. While you breathe in, up your head. While you breathe in, stretch your buttock backside. Breathe in, stretch your buttock and breathe out, stomach inside. Completely again breathe in, up. While you rising up your head, breathe out, down, stomach goes inside. Again breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Again release, relax. So every asana should have to concentrate on the breath. Inhale and exhale. The most important things in your yoga practice, inhale and exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Again prepare for Vyagrasana. Breathe in your right leg up. Breathe out. Try to touch chin or chest. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Breathe in while rising up. Breathe out while lowering. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Other leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Other leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Other leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold there. Just imagine that ultimate. Concentrate on the breathe. Control the breathe. Slowly breathe out. Other leg. Breathe in. Hold there. Concentrate on the breathe. Control. Stay there few seconds. Breathe out. Relax. Back to Vajrasana. Normal breathe. Inhale and exhale. Breathe long and deep. Complete every breath. Rejuvenate your body and mind. So this all asana is very beneficial for your inner stomach, your leg, all part of the body. Now Vakrasana. Fold your right leg first and your left palm back of near the buttocks. Now your right hand over the right palm over the right knees. Release. Other leg. Right is complete and left one. Breathe normal. Reback your energy. Fold your left leg and your left palm close to the near the thighs and your right palm over the left leg. Hold there. Hold it. Again breathe while coming straight. Breathe in. Relax. So after asana, you're tired, you should have to take a long breath. Release and relax. Completely relax. Open your leg. Open your palm. Slowly close your leg. Turn your body to the left side of the mat. Breathe 5 times. Support your palm. Sit. Sukhasana. Breathe there. Normal breathe. So this you can practice every day routine. It's good for all your entire part of the body. Namaste.